Hi, I'm Lori Ballen, and I earned 6 figures as an affiliate marketer, primarily on software subscriptions. I'm a teacher trainer and I teach specific software. That being said, I've recently branched out into niche blog sites, a monetize YouTube channel, and I've gotten really into Pinterest and fashion blogging. I want to share with you, first of all, that my results are never typical. And everything's going to depend on you and what you do and your platforms. But I want to bring you best practices to how to get started with something like this. I'm not going to tell you how much money you can make, okay? That's going to really depend. And this is a new venture for me. So I'm going to be bringing you a lot more white papers and studies as I go through testing what's working. All right. So I got started on a Pinterest board. And my target audience is the midlife woman. So we're going to say 45 to 65 with a sweet spot from 50 to 60. Now, the challenge with that is that 50 to 60 is an incredibly competitive market, but I've been studying it and I've kind of been testing and measuring what works and what doesn't work. And I will tell you that people really like to see how outfits are put together. So I decided to go ahead and start modeling some of my own outfits, and we're going to see what happens with that. And so far from the tribes that I'm in on Pinterest, this is what people like to share. Okay, so here I've got an outfit that I wore last night to dinner. Now, this outfit came from several different places. The majority of it came from Nordstrom. Actually, the shoes and the necklace and the top came from Nordstrom Trunk Club, but everything is different brands. So if I want to, I can go set up an affiliate relationship with each one of those brands that has their own specific affiliate opportunities. Otherwise, I can set up with Nordstrom or Neiman Marcus or Amazon or anywhere that has these types of items in it. So you're going to have so many options, okay? There is a site called VigLink, and I have a video on how to use VigLink. I also have a link to the video the link to VigLink in this video. And you're able to go in here and you could look at merchants, and you could look somebody up. Let's just say it's Nordstrom, and you can grab the links to all of these products here. But you're going to notice that there's a variation in payouts. So I am now working really strategically to, one, find affiliate networks that I really like being part of, and two, looking for the highest opportunity with that particular brand, especially if it's going to be a brand that I'm going to use frequently. Now, in this particular case, with my outfit, considering several of these things came from Trunk Club, it's an opportunity to promote Trunk Club, which has an affiliate partnership. Okay. Now, I do that, and then I'm also promoting several of the products. So I have a website here. You can do this with no website. Okay, you can do, well, technically you can't. Here, let me reiterate. Let me go backwards. You can set up affiliate relationships with some of these places without a website. Most want to see a website. Some might approve a Pinterest board or a YouTube channel without a website. But in order to tag these items, which I'm going to show you in a moment, you need to have a website claimed with Pinterest for business so that tagging option turns on. The good news, you can tag affiliate products in your pins, guys. This is going to be absolutely huge. At one time, Pinterest was not allowing affiliate links, and now they are. In fact, it almost looks like they're promoting it based on how we have this ability to tag. So the first thing I chose to do is I went ahead over to my website, midlifemonarch.com, and I put in a little info about wearing pink, okay? I've got information here about, I've got the picture, got a disclaimer for my affiliate links, which I always add. And oh, by the way, in this video description, there are links to many of the things I talked about, from the affiliate networks to the Trunk Club to the products. And I do benefit if you make a purchase through one of my links. So below, what you see here is I've got a little description. The halogen pink blouse, Cole Haan pumps, I'm going to probably butcher a lot of these brand names. And the necklace, right here, I say they were all part of my monthly trunk club. Now watch what happens when they click trunk club. Okay, in this particular case, I just realized I need to change my settings so it opens in a new tab. In this particular case, it actually goes to the trunk club and it offers them a discount when they sign up with trunk club. And I also benefit when they sign up with trunk club. Now, I'm going to plus this. This is a brand new website, by the way. I'm going to plus this by creating a blog post all about trunk club. Then when they click it, they'll go to the Trunk Club page, and then that call to action will be sign up with Trunk Club. I really do believe that there are some conversion best practices in creating that type of a click funnel, if you will, to get them to the point of actually wanting to sign up. I don't believe just clicking Trunk Club and having it open right to Trunk Club is necessarily going to bring us the highest conversion, but it's a start. Okay, it's a start. So learn the how-to today. So I've got all of this information, and I've got these links, and then down here I have the actual necklace, the actual bag, the actual pumps, the actual shirt, and the jacket, all listed as their own product pages. Now what this is going to do for me, it's going to improve my chances of getting more page views on my website, which is good for the search engines. It's going to give me better chances of ranking on the search engines for my outfits, my brands, my particular items. So one outfit created like 6 pages of content. So I like that personally better, but you do not have to do it that way. This website is built on WordPress. I own a digital marketing company called Ballen Brands. We build niche websites for affiliate marketing. You can contact us at ballenbrands.com if you need a WordPress. This has WooCommerce built in, which allows me to enter these products, collect reviews, related products, but you do not have to do this with WooCommerce. There's ways to build on WordPress where you don't need to even add any. You just blog and then you make a list of those products as individual pages. They don't have to have a special e-commerce section for affiliates since nobody's actually buying these products on our website. Okay, but I just wanted to share with you that's what this is exactly. Is WordPress with WooCommerce. I'll put a link to WooCommerce in the description of this video. Now, let's go back to our pin and let's click tag. All right, you've got several options here. And if you don't see the ability to tag your pin, you probably have not claimed your website with Pinterest. So you probably do not have the ability to tag yet. Now, why is that doing that? Hold on, let me go back to, oh, there we go. So there's the pin. Okay, now I clicked tag. Now all I have to do is I can click on anywhere on this picture. So right here, I'm gonna click the toe of my shoe. And now I can enter a product or affiliate link, okay? So if you enter a product, you're not gonna get paid. If you just direct them to those shoes to the manufacturer, you're not going to have any benefit. So I like to put an affiliate link in here. So you can either take the affiliate link that you build in VigLink or on Nordstrom or on eBay or anywhere you have your affiliate link, you can paste it there. Or in my case, I want them back to my website as many times as possible. So I'm going to link them to the shoes. And then it's asking me to pick a picture. And then I'm going to link them to the bag. Okay, here's the link to the bag. And we're going to paste it right here. And then I'm going to link them to the, paste the picture. Then I'm going to link them to the jacket. And I'm going to link them to the pink blouse. Okay, now I can link them to the whole outfit if I want to. So maybe I'll just put that a little link here. That one will be for the whole outfit. I don't know when it's going to cut me off. If I wanted to, I could link them to my hair because I sell shampoo. So I could actually send them to loriballen.monate. Hold on, let me make sure I got this right. There it is. Okay, I can grab that link and I can pin it there. Amazing. Now, I also, if I wanted to, I could link them to nail polish. If my nails are painted, I could link them to the pants. I could link them to the makeup. I could link them to the eyelashes. Oh my gosh, that's another great idea, is the eyelashes. I'll come back and do those after, okay? Then we click done. Give it a chance to go all the way through. So now, look at this. Look at how it pins the suggestions underneath. I mean, doesn't that make my whole pin actually stand out? And now what I'm going to do next is I'm actually going to promote that pin and get a bunch more people over to my Pinterest board and potentially buying those outfits. And I think what I'm also going to do over here, by the way, here it is without the jacket. I did the same thing. I think it's a great idea to post your pins in multiple positions. This one doesn't have the purse, it doesn't have the jacket. I've got one where I'm sitting on the bench that has the jacket but not the purse, and I'm kind of testing all those pins. And then I think we also should test those tags to see if driving them to your website brings in more conversions, or just driving them directly. Oh, I could also link this to Trunk Club. I can also link this to Trunk Club because that'll promote it that way too. I'm going to do that when we're done here. So I have to look at how many times where it cuts off our pins. But this is the way that we can pin and take advantage, where when we're just posting a sweater, you know, from a redirect link, it sends them to that website and all they have is a sweater. But when we're actually modeling the whole outfit, it's more real, it's more relatable. I think it shows our age group, and if we're targeting a particular age group, I think that's a benefit. If you're super young, you're in your 20s, you're gonna target millennials. If you're in your 30s, you're gonna be marketing the hot soccer mom or the casual look or whatever you want. Then we've got 40s, 50s, and 60s. So that's kind of the idea of what we do here. So I'm going to come back and bring you some more videos. I'm going to show you how I go put this on Instagram and tag it and sponsor it there for more traffic as well. And then maybe I'll come back and report back and let you know how this outfit did and what it looks like as far as ranking on the search engines over time, generating leads, followers, that type of thing. All right. So my name is Lori Ballen. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. Click the bell to be notified every time I make a video.